Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually change the front page in WordPress. So, without any further talking, let's go straight ahead and start with this video. First of all, please open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp.admin. If you don't have it already, you will find it something like that, and click here the username and password. For those who doesn't have an account already, I've made a previous video about how to create your account, how to make your first website, and how to interact with this whole menu in here. So now what we'll have to do is go to pages, and let's create a new page by going here, and let's name it front page. So this front page will work as our landing page, or the page that our website will open at. So first of all, let's go to our website and let's check how our website looks like when it opens. So the website opens on the page that's called home, or named home. So now what we'll have to do is to change it to a landing page. So what we'll have to do, customize, and from here you go to homepage settings. Of course, if you didn't do that from here, for example, dashboard, pages, if you didn't create your front page already, you can create it by, it will normally be like that. So what we'll have to do is go to a static page. After you do so, you can click here and add a new page, and for example, we name it a landing page or front page or whatever you want. Now we click on add, and here it is. For us, we've made front page, so we click here and we click on publish. Don't forget guys, you have to click on publish so you can update the site. So now if you went here and clicked on visit website, the front page will be opened for us. Of course, you can change it to whatever thing you want. It doesn't really matter if it is a page or a post. You can change a post, make it a page, or make it something like that that shows all your latest posts. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make a front page. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.